In this video, we are decorating a Christmas spread in the Happy Planner for the week of December 6th. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. And I just finished the pink plaid spread, which I will link up at the top. This week's spread is going to be a teal and red and candy cane theme. Make sure you watch the other spread as well. And if you like watching planner videos, make sure you subscribe. All right, I'm gonna start off with some washi tape now that I picked my theme for the week. So I'm gonna grab this adorable candy cane washi tape strip. And this is from this green sticker book. And there should be another one that fits the other side. So I'm gonna start with that. That's so easy with those washi strips because they're already cut to fit. Next up will be box stickers. I'm gonna grab this teal one, the little Santas on it because it's adorable. We'll put that somewhere. Just right here. Oops. Here's another cute box sticker. Let's put that one on this side over here. Okay, I found two more in the green Christmas sticker book. They're a little bit different shape, but these are the colors that I want. The different candy cane ones. So let's put one of each on each page. So like one down here and one over here. I think they're square. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. And I'm gonna put this one at the bottom. Which way? It's probably all the same. I usually put in checklists and bullet points next, but I want to make sure my decorative stickers fit from this sticker book. So I'm gonna add them in first, and then I will probably add in the checklist and bullet points after that, so I can make sure everything fits. Because there are some large stickers that I want to use. Like, look how cute that is. I think I wanna put this here, like that, kind of like right in the middle. I think it's adorable. All right, let me grab this one. There's a little candy cane cart. Let's put that one on this side. Maybe it can be on top of the candy canes. I think I'm gonna continue decorating that middle section with the really cute stickers. So let's see if I can get these to fit like right there. I love that. And then there's a couple more. We have these. They could go here. They could go up here. I think I'll put box stickers there. They could go here. All right, I want to continue to decorate that whole middle section with these. So I'm going to put these here like that. And then maybe put one of the candy canes next to it or around it. Let's see what that looks like. I think that's perfect. And then maybe another candy cane on this side, like that. And then these fit perfectly right here. There's room for a swirl right here. Okay, I found some in the Christmas Joy sticker book, teal and red checklist box stickers. So instead of actual checklists, oh, we have checklists too. Maybe we'll do both. So we can layer like a box sticker to write our notes like that, like a red one over here. I want it a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna take off the last checklist bullet point and put this here so that it overlaps the cute sticker like that. And then I'm gonna do a teal one on this page. Same thing, let me trim that bottom. Remember, you can always like trim your stickers to make them fit and do what you want. All right, I'm gonna add a checklist, one on each page, maybe up here. I guess we can do our checklists on the top, or our writing, our to-dos for each day at the top. And then we have lots of decorations in the middle. Let's put a to-do list over here. Okay, I like this little snow globe from Rongrong's Holiday Cheer sticker pack. It's in our color palette of red and teal. I'm gonna layer that over here with this, maybe like right in the middle. I like that. Okay, I like to add quotes, and I found a couple of teal quotes that will look good with this spread. So I'm gonna put this one over here, "'Tis the season to sparkle." I just think it's cute and kind of goes with those. All right, I found this clear sticker, "'Tis the season to sparkle." I want to put that on this side over next to the snow globe. I already placed it and had to pull it back up, so it's kind of curling now. Let's put it like that. "'Tis the season to sparkle." Next to the snow globe, and then this one, "Hot cocoa and fuzzy socks," over here next to all the goodies. Okay, I think that's it for my crazy Christmas spread for this week. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!